Hey guys, so this is Jeffrey from Shanghai FPAC company. In this video, I will introduce you our new capsule machine, full length 200 capsule per minute. You can follow my video, okay? And let's start from here. So this is our station for the empty capsules. Designing for the aluminum capsules and also plastic capsules, which is stackable. If your capsule is like compostable capsules or other capsules like Dolce Gusto, we also have the solution for auto sort and feed to feed into this feeding station. And after the capsule drop to the mold, we have two steps of the sensors. One sensor is to check the something on the table. Another sensor is to check the no capsule, no feeding sensor. After checking, so this is the static removal bar to remove the static happened during the feeding. And then this is our feeding system. In this feeding system, we are using the servo motor to control the auger to fill the coffee. And we can guarantee you the more or less 0.2 grams feeding accuracy. And also it will equipped with a vacuum feeding system to supply coffee automatically into the hopper. In this system, we are using you can see all clear. So you can check all the inside status clearly. And then if you guarantee your coffee level like half full to 70% full, so we can guarantee you to get a more higher accuracy, like 0.1 grams accuracy. After the filling, so we have another sensor to check the capsule coffee inside. If there is no coffee inside filled, the capsule will be rejected at the end. After check the powder, we have the cleaning system. Sometimes if you have any coffee in this sealing area, this station will help you vacuum suction the powder out to keep the sealing surface clean. Then you can check. We have so many air pipes here. So this is for the nitrogen flushing. Actually, from here, before filling, to here, before sealing, we have the nitrogen flushing tunnel. Inside the hopper, we also have the nitrogen flushing system inside. So we can keep the coffee always under the protection of the nitrogen. Let's see here. This is the cut and sealing station for the aluminum foils. This is also okay for the paper material. And plastic material, this station will automatically cut and seal on the surface in one station. After this, we have the second sealing station. This is to guarantee you the tight and beautiful sealing result. And the temperature is adjustable from 0 to 400 Celsius. After sealing, we have the check weight station here. We are using the unique stand, stand alarm to avoid the influence from the machine vibration. So give it the higher accuracy weight checker. If the weight is not in the right range, the capsule will be rejected automatically at the end. And the good capsule will be output to the conveyor. You can connect the box packaging and other packaging solutions. You can check out the sealing results. So this is a capsule we made this morning. As you can see, on this machine, we have the safety door, fully meet the CE certificate for European standard like this. You can check how wide operation you can have. And also we have the screen. So we are all using the Slider brand touch screen and also the servo system from the Slider. And you can use your own language like Chinese, English, Russian, Spanish, or other languages. It's all okay. We have our own programmer, engineer to make this system be happened. Okay, so that's all.